Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roquefort dressing. Begin by gathering your core ingredients. You will need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of whole milk. Also, prepare 4 ounces of authentic Roquefort cheese. This simple, tangy dressing comes together in mere minutes, offering a gourmet touch to any meal. First, take 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of rich sour cream, adding them to a mixing bowl. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of whole milk. Use a whisk to thoroughly combine these ingredients, ensuring there are no lumps and the mixture is perfectly smooth. This forms the essential, velvety base that will perfectly complement the strong, distinctive notes of the blue cheese, preparing it for the next step. Now, crumble the 4 ounces of Roquefort cheese directly into your prepared creamy base. You can use a fork to gently break up the cheese or simply use your fingers. After adding the cheese, stir in 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, which deepens the flavor profile beautifully. Finally, mince 1 small clove of fresh garlic and add it, along with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, gently folding everything together. Once everything is mixed, give your dressing a quick taste. Adjust the salt and pepper to your preference. Remember that Roquefort cheese can be quite salty on its own. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate your delicious dressing for a minimum of 30 minutes. This crucial chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to fully meld together, creating a perfectly balanced and incredibly rich Roquefort dressing that is ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.